Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever tried connecting your favorite Bluetooth headphones or speakers directly to your PlayStation 5, only to find it doesn't quite work as expected? You're not alone. The PS5 does have Bluetooth built in, but it's pretty particular about the devices it pairs with. In this quick guide, updated for 2025, we're going to break down exactly how you can get your wireless audio setup running smoothly, so let's jump right in. The PS5 built-in Bluetooth is mainly designed for its own ecosystem of products. This means your DualSense controller connects effortlessly, and Sony's official Pulse 3D wireless headset pairs up perfectly without any fuss. However, if you're trying to connect your regular AirPods, Bose, or other Bluetooth headphones directly, you'll likely run into an issue. The console simply isn't set up to connect with those third-party audio devices directly, so we need a workaround. Fortunately, there's a widely used and very effective solution: a USB Bluetooth audio transmitter, or dongle. These little devices plug right into any of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5, whether it's on the front or the back. Once connected, they essentially create their own Bluetooth signal, allowing your PS5 to see and pair with almost any Bluetooth headphones or speaker. It's a quick and easy way to bridge that compatibility gap. Another clever approach involves using your existing home entertainment setup. Many modern smart TVs and soundbars actually have their own Bluetooth capabilities. Instead of connecting directly to the PS5, you can connect your Bluetooth headphones or speaker to your TV or soundbar. Then, simply ensure your PS5 audio is routed through that device. It's a slightly indirect method, but very effective if your TV or soundbar already supports Bluetooth audio. So there you have it. For 2025, connecting your favorite Bluetooth headphones or speakers to your PlayStation 5 still largely relies on a USB dongle or by routing audio through a Bluetooth-enabled TV or soundbar. While native support for a wide range of Bluetooth audio devices isn't a feature of the PS5, these workarounds are reliable and easy to set up. Enjoy your wireless gaming audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.